Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the rhythm of your breath anchor you to this moment. But for a moment, let's drift beyond the confines of our everyday lives, beyond the fleeting hours and days, into the boundless expanse of geological time. Imagine a timescale so vast, so immense, that the lifespan of a human being shrinks to a mere flicker of a candle flame. Whispers of time. They carry the secrets of mountains born and mountains worn away. They murmur of landscapes sculpted not by human hands, but by the patient, persistent artistry of wind and water, ice and fire. We are but fleeting visitors in this grand, unfolding drama, yet we can perceive the echoes of epochs past. Picture a world sculpted by the relentless caress of the wind, a force both gentle and ferocious. Feel the soft sigh of the breeze against your skin, the whisper of the desert wind carrying grains of sand across vast distances. Now amplify that feeling, multiply it by millions of years. Visualize the mighty wind, a sculptor of unimaginable patience, shaping the very face of the earth. Imagine towering peaks, their summits kissed by clouds, their slopes carved into intricate patterns by the relentless passage of time. These majestic mountains, monuments to epochs gone by, stand as silent witnesses to the whispering secrets of geological time. They hold within their stony hearts the stories of ancient seas, of volcanic eruptions, of glaciers grinding their way across the land. Each grain of sand, each pebble, each towering rock formation is a tiny piece of a colossal puzzle, a testament to the immeasurable forces that have shaped our planet. They are fragments of a narrative written over millennia, a story etched into the very fabric of the earth. Listen closely, and you can almost hear the whispers of time, the faint rustling of geological history, carried on the wind. These whispers speak of a timelessness that surpasses human comprehension, a timescale that stretches far beyond the reach of our limited imaginations. Let the enormity of it wash over you, a sense of awe and wonder filling your mind as we begin our journey through the ages. For in the story of wind erosion, we find a reflection of the endless, beautiful, and ever-changing story of our planet itself. And as we delve into this tale, may you find yourself lulled into a state of peaceful contemplation, a serene journey through the heart of time. The breath of eons, a gentle sigh, a powerful gust, a relentless whisper across the millennia. It is the wind, the unseen sculptor, the patient artisan, shaping the Earth's face with a slow, deliberate hand. We often perceive the wind as a fleeting force, a momentary disturbance in the atmosphere. But consider its cumulative power, its enduring impact over millions of years. It is in this vast timescale that the true majesty of the wind's geological influence is revealed. Imagine a single grain of sand, lifted by a gentle breeze, carried across a vast expanse of desert. A seemingly insignificant event, yet multiply this action countless times, over millions upon millions of years, and you begin to grasp the immense power of aeolian processes. This seemingly infinitesimal movement, repeated endlessly, carves canyons, sculpts dunes, and polishes rock surfaces with an artistry beyond human comprehension. The wind is a patient master, a tireless worker, never rushing, never ceasing in its task. It shapes mountains with a slow, delicate touch, eroding their peaks, smoothing their slopes, and creating breathtaking landscapes that bear witness to the passage of time. These changes are imperceptible on a human scale, yet over millennia, they accumulate, transforming the very fabric of the earth. Picture a towering sandstone cliff, its face etched with intricate patterns, its layers revealing eons of geological history. Each groove, each ripple, each subtle curve is a testament to the wind's relentless work, a record of its tireless sculpting. These are not mere marks of erosion. They are the strokes of a master artist, a testament to the patient, persistent power of nature. The wind's breath is not merely destructive. It is also creative. It deposits sand into breathtaking dunes, forming ever-shifting waves of sand that dance across the landscape. It creates fertile oases, carrying life-giving moisture and seeds across barren expanses. The wind is both sculptor and nurturer, a force both powerful and delicate, a constant presence in the Earth's ongoing transformation. Consider the vastness of the deserts, the endless expanse of sand stretching to the horizon. This seemingly desolate landscape is, in fact, a testament to the wind's creative power, a tapestry woven from countless grains of sand, each one a tiny piece of a grand, geological masterpiece. And as we continue our journey through this narrative, we will uncover further wonders, further mysteries, in the silent, patient work of the wind. Let the rhythm of its unseen passage lull you into a state of calm, as we journey deeper into the heart of geological time. Let us now turn our gaze towards the majestic mountains, those colossal monuments to the Earth's enduring power. These towering giants, seemingly impervious to the forces of nature, are, in fact, constantly sculpted and reshaped by the tireless hand of the wind. While tectonic forces build them, wind erosion carves and refines their forms, adding intricate details to their already awe-inspiring presence. Imagine the Himalayas, that colossal chain of mountains piercing the sky, their snow-capped peaks glistening under the sun. For millennia, the relentless wind has carved these peaks, sculpting their contours, shaping their valleys, and leaving behind a legacy of breathtaking beauty. The wind whispers through their passes, carrying away grains of rock, shaping the very essence of these magnificent structures. Picture the intricate patterns etched into the rock faces, the deep gorges carved by centuries of relentless wind, a testament to the power of this seemingly gentle force. Now, let us journey to the American Southwest, a land of stark beauty and dramatic contrasts. Here, the wind's artistry is particularly evident in the sculpted forms of the mesas and canyons. These towering rock formations, carved over millions of years, stand as silent witnesses to the wind's relentless sculpting. Observe the intricate details etched into their surfaces, the delicate balance of erosion and deposition, the intricate play of light and shadow that reveals the layers of geological history. Each canyon, each mesa, tells a story of wind's patient work, a narrative written in stone. These are not isolated examples. Across the globe, mountain ranges bear the unmistakable mark of wind erosion. From the rugged peaks of the Andes to the ancient mountains of Africa, the wind's influence is undeniable. It is a force that shapes not only the landscape but also the very character of these geological wonders. The wind's breath, a constant presence across these lofty heights, carries away particles of rock, revealing the underlying layers, creating a breathtaking interplay of textures and forms. The mountains stand as monuments, not only to the Earth's tectonic forces but also to the patient, persistent power of the wind. They are living testaments to the passage of time, their surfaces bearing the indelible mark of millennia of wind erosion. As we continue our journey, we will explore further how the wind interacts with other geological forces, creating an ever-evolving landscape, a masterpiece in constant progress. Let the image of these majestic peaks, sculpted by the wind's gentle yet powerful hand, soothe your mind and prepare you for the next chapter in our exploration of geological time. Imagine the wind, not as a destructive force, but as a master sculptor, patiently chiseling away at the Earth's surface, revealing hidden beauty and creating landscapes of breathtaking wonder. Over vast stretches of time, its gentle yet persistent touch shapes the land, leaving behind a legacy of artistry that captivates the soul. Consider the mesmerizing patterns etched into sandstone cliffs, intricate designs carved by the wind's patient hand. Each groove, each ripple, tells a story of countless grains of sand carried away by the wind, revealing the layers beneath, creating a tapestry of color and texture. Picture the delicate arches and hoodoos of desert landscapes, balanced precariously, testaments to the wind's subtle yet powerful influence. These formations, born from erosion, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of geological time. Let your mind drift to the vast expanse of sand dunes, their undulating forms constantly shifting and reshaping under the wind's direction. These ephemeral sculptures, constantly in motion, are a testament to the wind's dynamic power. Each dune, a miniature mountain, a temporary masterpiece created and recreated by the wind's tireless work. Watch as the wind dances across their surfaces, creating patterns that shift and change with every gust, a constant reminder of nature's ever-changing artistry. The wind's artistic touch extends beyond the grand scale of mountains and dunes. Observe the delicate carvings on exposed rock faces, the miniature sculptures formed by the wind's patient work. Notice the intricate patterns etched into the stone, the delicate balance of erosion and preservation, the subtle variations in color and texture. These miniature masterpieces, often overlooked, reveal the wind's artistry at a more intimate level. Think of the windswept plains, their vastness emphasized by the subtle undulations created by the wind's constant movement. These seemingly flat landscapes reveal, upon closer inspection, a delicate artistry, a subtle interplay of erosion and deposition that speaks volumes about the wind's influence. The wind's touch is evident in the rhythmic patterns of the grass, the gentle slopes of the land, the subtle variations in vegetation. From the grandest canyons to the tiniest grain of sand, the wind's artistic hand is evident everywhere. It is a force that shapes not only the land but also our perception of it, revealing the beauty hidden within the seemingly ordinary. The wind's artistry is a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, a testament to the power of patience and the beauty of impermanence. As we continue our journey, let us appreciate the wind's role as a sculptor, a creator of breathtaking landscapes that inspire awe and wonder. Let its artistry fill you with a sense of calm and peace as we delve deeper into the wonders of geological time. Imagine, if you will, a gentle breeze whispering across a barren landscape. To the casual observer, it seems insignificant, a mere breath of air. Yet, within this seemingly gentle current lies a powerful force, a sculptor working on a scale of geological time. This is the invisible hand of wind erosion, shaping the Earth's surface one grain at a time. Let's slow down time, magnify the process, and witness the subtle yet powerful mechanics of wind erosion. Picture a single grain of sand, lying loose on the ground, exposed to the elements. A gust of wind, seemingly weak, brushes against it, applying a tiny force. If the grain is small enough and the wind strong enough, this force overcomes the friction holding the grain in place. The grain is lifted, becoming airborne, a tiny speck dancing on the wind's breath. It journeys on the wind's currents, a miniature voyager traversing the landscape. It may travel a short distance, settling gently onto a nearby dune, adding its weight to the ever-growing formation. Or it might embark on a longer journey, carried aloft by stronger winds, traveling miles before finally settling down. This seemingly insignificant event, repeated millions of times, over millennia, shapes the world. The size and weight of the particles significantly influence how easily the wind can transport them. Finer particles, like silt and clay, are easily carried aloft by even gentle breezes, creating dust storms that can travel vast distances, blanketing landscapes far from their source. Larger particles, like sand, require stronger winds for transport, resulting in the formation of sand dunes and the erosion of exposed rock faces. Observe how the wind's power is not merely about force, but also about persistence. A constant, gentle breeze, acting over millions of years, can achieve what a single powerful gust cannot accomplish. This relentless, patient force carves canyons, shapes mountains, and sculpts the land into forms of breathtaking beauty. The wind's action is not confined to the transport of loose particles. As it flows over exposed rock, it can gradually wear away the surface, a process known as abrasion. Tiny sand particles, carried by the wind, act as miniature projectiles, striking the rock's surface and chipping away at it. This constant bombardment, repeated over geological timescales, can carve intricate patterns and shapes into the rock, revealing the underlying layers and creating stunning rock formations. And so, the invisible hand of wind erosion, working tirelessly over eons, shapes the very fabric of our planet. It is a force both powerful and subtle, a constant reminder of the immense power of time and the delicate balance of nature's forces. As we continue our exploration, we'll see how the wind's influence extends far beyond the shaping of landforms, playing a crucial role in the spread of life and the evolution of ecosystems. Now, let us delve into the intricate artistry of abrasion, a process where wind, armed with its tiny projectiles, meticulously sculpts the Earth's rocky canvas. Imagine a landscape bathed in sunlight, wind whispering across its surface. Unseen, a myriad of sand grains, propelled by the wind, dance in a silent ballet of erosion. Each grain, a tiny sculptor, relentlessly strikes the exposed rock faces. Let's zoom in far closer than the naked eye can see. Picture a single grain of quartz, hurtling through the air, its sharp edges honed by countless impacts. It strikes a sandstone outcrop, a microscopic collision that, while seemingly insignificant, leaves an indelible mark. A tiny chip of rock is dislodged, a fragment of the larger whole, carried away on the wind's current. This relentless bombardment, repeated billions of times, is the essence of abrasion. Over time, the rock surface undergoes a transformation, its rough edges smoothed, its texture refined. The wind, through this process, acts as a tireless polisher, revealing the underlying beauty of the stone. It's a slow, patient process, a testament to the power of persistence. Consider the majestic sandstone formations found in deserts around the world. Their smooth, sculpted forms, their intricate curves and hollows, are not the result of sudden cataclysmic events, but rather the meticulous work of abrasion over millennia. The wind's invisible hand, wielding its tiny sand-grain tools, patiently shapes these natural wonders. And the artistry extends beyond the grand scale. Look closely at the surface of a weathered rock, its texture a tapestry woven by wind-borne particles. You might find tiny scratches, microscopic grooves, each a testament to a single impact, a testament to the wind's relentless work. These minute details, often overlooked, reveal the intricate dance between the wind and the rock, a silent dialogue played out over eons. This process doesn't merely smooth surfaces. It can also reveal underlying structures. Layers of rock, once hidden beneath a rough exterior, become exposed, revealing the geological history embedded within. The wind, through its abrasive action, unveils the Earth's secrets, one grain at a time, one millennia at a time. The result is a landscape sculpted with a precision that mimics the work of a master artist, a testament to the creative power of seemingly insignificant forces acting over immense stretches of time. The intricate patterns etched into the stone, the smooth curves and sharp edges, all speak of the wind's patient artistry, a reminder of the profound beauty inherent in the slow, deliberate processes of nature. As we continue our journey, we will see how this meticulous sculpting plays a pivotal role in shaping entire ecosystems and influencing the very flow of life across the globe. Now, let's witness the elegant dance of deflation, a process where the wind, acting as a tireless broom, sweeps away loose sediments, revealing the underlying landscape. Imagine a vast expanse of desert, shimmering under the sun. The wind, a gentle yet persistent force, begins its work. It doesn't carve or grind, but rather lifts and carries, removing the fine particles of sand and dust, grain by grain. This seemingly simple act of removal, repeated countless times, has profound consequences. Over time, the wind sculpts the land, not through the forceful impact of abrasion, but through the subtle yet powerful act of deflation. It's a process of subtraction, revealing the land's hidden beauty, layer by layer. Picture a desert landscape where the wind has tirelessly swept away the finer sediments. What remains is a surface composed of larger, heavier stones and pebbles, a mosaic of natural artistry known as a desert pavement. These stones, once buried beneath layers of sand and dust, now lie exposed, forming a protective armor against further erosion. It's a testament to the power of wind's selective removal. But the wind's dance is not always so gentle. In areas where the underlying soil is less resistant, deflation can create dramatic formations known as deflation hollows. These are depressions in the land, sculpted by the wind's persistent removal of loose material. Some are small, shallow basins, while others can evolve into vast, bowl-shaped hollows, dramatic testaments to the wind's erosive power. They are silent witnesses to the wind's long and patient work. Imagine standing on the edge of one of these deflation hollows, feeling the wind whisper across your face. Look down into the basin, a landscape shaped not by violent upheaval, but by the quiet, persistent removal of material. The hollow's smooth curves, its gentle slopes, are not the result of sudden, dramatic events, but of eons of slow, methodical erosion. Each grain of sand or dust removed is a tiny story, a fragment of a much larger narrative. The hollow itself is a living monument to this continuous process, a tangible representation of time's passage. It's a reminder of the wind's pervasive influence, subtly yet profoundly shaping the Earth's surface over vast stretches of time. The desert pavement, the deflation hollows, these are not merely geological features. They are artistic expressions of the wind's relentless work. They are living canvases, constantly being reshaped by the wind's dance. A dance that has been playing out for millennia, and will continue to play out for millennia to come. Each grain of sand moved, each stone exposed, tells a part of this ongoing story, a testament to the power of the wind and the immensity of geological time. This is the quiet beauty of deflation, the elegant removal that reveals the Earth's hidden layers, one breath of wind at a time. Now, let us follow the epic journey of a single grain of sand, a tiny traveler on the wind's breath. Imagine it, lifted from the desert floor by a gentle gust, embarking on an odyssey across the sun-baked landscape. This seemingly insignificant particle, caught in the wind's embrace, is a vital player in the grand drama of geological time. The wind, our tireless sculptor, doesn't merely erode, it transports. It carries these minuscule travelers across vast distances, shaping the very face of the Earth. Picture a landscape sculpted not by sudden cataclysms, but by the slow, persistent movement of countless grains of sand, each on its own unique journey. Observe, if you will, a dune, a majestic ripple in the desert's expanse. It's not a static monument, but a dynamic entity, constantly shifting and reforming under the wind's influence. These aren't merely hills of sand. They are colossal sculptures carved by the wind's patient hand. Each grain contributes to the dune's shape, its height, its very essence. Imagine a time-lapse of this shifting landscape, revealing the dune's slow, graceful dance. The wind, an unseen choreographer, guides the sand's movement, creating an ever-changing spectacle. The dune's crest advances, then retreats. Its flanks ripple and undulate, a breathtaking demonstration of nature's artistry. These dunes, vast and imposing, are born of countless journeys, each grain contributing to this monumental form. Their shapes, their sizes, their very existence are testament to the wind's power to move mountains, one grain at a time. The seemingly chaotic movement of sand grains, when viewed over vast stretches of time, reveals a profound order, a delicate balance between wind, sand, and the land itself. Consider the rhythmic swoosh of the wind as it molds these sandy giants. The wind whispers secrets of time, of journeys undertaken, of a landscape constantly in flux. It's a slow, silent symphony, played out over centuries, even millennia. The dune itself is a score, a record of the wind's relentless work. Beyond the dramatic dunes, the wind's transport of sand creates a diverse range of formations. Ripples, small and delicate, form on the sand's surface, mirroring the larger dunes. Sand sheets, vast plains of wind-blown sand, stretch as far as the eye can see. Each of these features, large or small, speaks of the tireless journey of countless sand grains, born on the wind's breath. These are not just geological features. They're testaments to the power of persistent, subtle change. They are living, breathing landscapes, sculpted by the wind's breath, constantly shifting, constantly changing. They're a reminder that even the seemingly insignificant can, over time, create something immense, something breathtakingly beautiful. The wind's transportation of sand isn't just erosion. It's creation, a constant cycle of movement and transformation, a never-ending dance of wind and sand, playing out against the vast backdrop of geological time. Imagine a vast canyon, its walls rising like ancient scriptures, etched with the stories of time. These aren't just cliffs. They're pages of Earth's history, meticulously revealed by the wind's patient hand. Wind erosion, in its relentless work, doesn't simply carve, it unveils. As the wind relentlessly scours the landscape, it peels back layers of time, revealing the Earth's intricate geological tapestry. Picture the canyon walls, striped with bands of color, each a testament to a different era, a different chapter in our planet's epic story. These are strata, layers of rock deposited over vast stretches of time, each with its own unique composition and story to tell. These layers are like the pages of a colossal book, narrating the planet's history. Each band represents a distinct period, a unique geological moment frozen in time. Some layers are thick, representing long periods of deposition. Others are thin, marking shorter intervals. The variations in color and texture hint at different environmental conditions, revealing past climates, volcanic activity, and even ancient seas. The wind, our tireless storyteller, reveals these layers through the process of erosion. It patiently wears away the softer rocks, exposing the harder strata beneath. These exposed layers reveal a sequence of events, a timeline of geological changes spanning millions, even billions of years. They are a record of ancient oceans, towering mountains, and vast deserts, all sculpted by the forces of nature. Consider the red hues of some layers, hinting at iron-rich sediments deposited in ancient lakes or seas. Observe the gray tones, perhaps indicating volcanic ash from long-dormant volcanoes. The variations in color and texture tell a rich and complex tale, a vibrant history painted onto the Earth's canvas. These layers aren't just static. They're dynamic, constantly shifting and revealing new secrets as the wind continues its patient work. The canyon walls are ever-changing, constantly evolving under the wind's influence, revealing ever more layers, ever more stories. They are a testament to the power of slow, persistent change, a reminder that the Earth's history is a continuous process of formation and erosion, creation and destruction. The wind's work isn't one of mere destruction, it's one of revelation. By exposing these layers, the wind allows us to glimpse into the distant past, to understand the forces that shaped our planet, and to appreciate the immense span of geological time. Each layer is a window into a different era, each band a clue in the grand puzzle of Earth's history. These exposed strata, meticulously revealed by the wind's patient work, are not merely rock formations. They are a chronicle, a living testament to the passage of time itself. It is a humbling experience to stand before these ancient layers, to feel the weight of eons, and to comprehend the vastness of the Earth's history. The wind whispers secrets from the past, revealing stories etched not just in the landscape, but within the very fabric of the exposed rock. Each layer is a time capsule, preserving fragments of ancient environments and the life they once sustained. As the wind unveils these layers, it unveils a history far richer and more profound than we could ever imagine. Imagine a layer of rock, its surface gleaming with the imprint of a fern, perfectly preserved from an age-long past. This isn't just a fossil. It's a window into a bygone world, a glimpse of lush forests that thrived millions of years ago. The wind's erosion, in its patient work, has uncovered this ancient relic, bringing it to light after its long slumber beneath layers of earth. Perhaps, in another layer, we find the remnants of a seashell, a tiny testament to an ancient ocean that once covered this land. The delicate curves of the shell, though fossilized, still speak of the life that once pulsed within it, echoing the sounds of a long-lost sea. These are not mere stones. They are fragments of ancient life, brought to the surface by the wind's relentless, yet gentle touch. The layers may also reveal evidence of volcanic activity, layers of hardened lava intermingled with sedimentary rock. These layers, dark and dense, tell tales of fiery eruptions, of mountains born from molten rock, and of landscapes reshaped by volcanic power. The wind, over eons, has sculpted these layers, revealing a history of fiery creation and slow, patient erosion. Other layers may show subtle shifts in color and texture, hinting at changes in climate. Perhaps a lighter shade indicates a period of drought, while a darker hue suggests a wetter, more humid climate. These subtle variations, revealed by the wind's persistent work, tell a story of shifting weather patterns, of ice ages and warmer periods, all woven into the very fabric of the Earth. These stories, encoded in the rock layers, are not isolated events. They are interconnected threads in a vast narrative. The fossils, the volcanic rock, the subtle shifts in color, all are pieces of a grand puzzle, revealing the complex interplay between life, climate, and geological forces over immense stretches of time. The wind, in its tireless work, brings these disparate elements together, revealing the intricate tapestry of Earth's history. As we examine these ancient stories in stone, we are not merely studying rocks. We are engaging in a conversation with the past, listening to the whispers of ancient life and the echoes of long-gone worlds. The wind, in its patient, persistent erosion, is the storyteller, and the exposed rock layers are the pages of a book written over millions of years, a book that continues to unfold before our eyes. Each layer holds a unique tale, each fossil a precious relic, all revealed by the wind's gentle touch, unveiling the magnificent drama of Earth's history. The wind's work is a testament to time's relentless march and the enduring power of nature's slow, grand design. The wind's artistry, in revealing Earth's layered history, provides geologists with a captivating puzzle to unravel. These exposed layers are not simply a beautiful display. They are a meticulously detailed record of our planet's past. But how do we read this ancient script, deciphering the events etched within the rock? Imagine a vast, open book, its pages composed of stone. Each page, representing a distinct era, holds clues to the conditions that prevailed during its formation. Geologists, like skilled detectives, meticulously examine these pages, searching for clues to reconstruct the story of Earth's evolution. One of their primary tools is radiometric dating. Certain elements within rocks decay at predictable rates. By measuring the ratio of these elements and their decay products, geologists can determine the age of the rocks with remarkable precision. It's like finding a tiny clock embedded within the stone, ticking away the eons. This allows us to place these layers within a chronological framework, establishing a timeline for Earth's dramatic transformations. But dating alone isn't enough. Geologists also analyze the composition of the rocks themselves. The types of minerals present, their grain size, and their layering provide insights into the environment in which the rock formed. Was it deposited in a fast-flowing river, a tranquil lake, or a vast ocean? The rock itself whispers tales of ancient landscapes and the forces that shaped them. Furthermore, fossils embedded within the rock provide compelling evidence of past life. The presence of certain fossils can indicate the age of the rock layer, as well as the climate and environment in which those organisms thrive. These ancient inhabitants leave their indelible mark, contributing to the rich tapestry of Earth's history. By combining radiometric dating with careful analysis of rock composition and fossil content, geologists can reconstruct the events that have shaped our planet over millions of years. They can identify periods of volcanic activity, periods of glaciation, and changes in sea level, painting a vivid picture of a dynamic and ever-changing Earth. The analysis extends beyond the individual layers, examining the relationships between them. A sudden shift in rock type, for example, could indicate a significant geological event, such as a volcanic eruption or a dramatic change in sea level. These transitions, often subtle, yet profound, tell their own stories, adding further detail to the grand narrative. The work of geologists is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. By combining meticulous observation with sophisticated techniques, they unlock the secrets held within these ancient stones. The wind's erosion, in revealing these layered histories, provides geologists with the raw material to reconstruct Earth's rich and dramatic past. It's a collaborative effort, nature's artistic display and human interpretation working together to reveal the wondrous story of our planet. The wind's work, therefore, is not just erosion, but revelation, a process that reveals the depth and breadth of geological time. Let us journey to a place where the wind's whispers have carved a monument to time itself, the Grand Canyon. Imagine standing on its rim, gazing down into a chasm that seems to reach into the very heart of the earth. Before you lies a breathtaking tapestry woven from layers of rock, each a distinct chapter in the Earth's long and fascinating story. The Colorado River, a tireless sculptor over millions of years, has carved this colossal canyon, exposing a vertical timeline of geological history. But it's the wind, the patient artist, that has further refined this masterpiece, revealing the intricate details within each layer. Look closely, and you'll see bands of red, brown, white, and even black rock, each a testament to a different era. The oldest layers, deep within the canyon's depths, are ancient metamorphic rocks, formed under immense pressure and heat, remnants of a bygone world. They whisper tales of mountain building, of tectonic plates colliding and creating colossal ranges. As you gaze upward, layer upon layer unfolds before you, each telling its own unique story. You see sedimentary rocks, formed from the slow accumulation of sand, silt, and mud over eons. These layers, like pages in a colossal book, record ancient climates, from vast deserts to shallow seas, each marked by subtle shifts in color and texture. Within these sedimentary layers, the wind has revealed fossils, the skeletal remains of creatures that once inhabited this ancient world. Imagine ancient marine life, thriving in a vast ocean that once covered this region. Their fossilized remains, carefully preserved within the rock, are silent witnesses to a world long past. Higher still, you'll see layers of volcanic rock, dark and brooding, remnants of fiery eruptions that once shook the land. These layers tell of catastrophic events, of molten rock surging forth, reshaping the landscape in moments compared to the slow, steady work of the wind. The wind, over millennia, has patiently eroded these layers, revealing their intricate details, their subtle variations in color and texture. It has chiseled away at the softer rocks, leaving behind the harder ones, creating the intricate formations we see today. The canyon walls are not just a jumble of rock. They are a carefully arranged sequence of events, a chronological record of Earth's history. Each layer represents a specific period, a specific climate, a specific event. Together, they form a complete narrative, a story that unfolds before our eyes as we gaze into the depths of the Grand Canyon. It is a story of immense time, of constant change, and of the remarkable power of nature to sculpt and reveal the history written within the Earth itself. It is a testament to the wind's persistent artistry, revealing the wonders held within the canyon's chronicle. Close your eyes and listen. Can you hear it? The whisper of the wind, a constant companion to the Earth, a force both gentle and relentless. It's a sound that speaks of patience, of time measured not in years, but in millennia. A sound that tells the story of wind erosion, a sculptor working with the slow, deliberate hand of nature. We often perceive change as something sudden and dramatic, a violent storm, a volcanic eruption. But the most profound changes on Earth, the ones that have shaped the very landscapes we see today, are often the result of slow, gradual processes that unfold over timescales so vast they stretch the limits of human comprehension. Wind erosion is one such process. Imagine a single grain of sand, lifted by a gentle breeze, carried across the landscape, and finally deposited against a rock face. It seems insignificant, a fleeting moment, but multiply that single grain by billions, by trillions, over millions of years, and you begin to grasp the immense power of this seemingly insignificant force. The wind, patient and persistent, works tirelessly, grain by grain, chipping away at the rock, wearing it down, smoothing its edges, and revealing its hidden beauty. It doesn't rush. It doesn't strive for immediate results. It works with the rhythm of the seasons, the cycles of day and night, the slow, steady beat of geological time. Consider the vast deserts of the world, sculpted by the wind into breathtaking landscapes of dunes and canyons. These aren't the work of a moment, but of eons. Each dune, each ripple in the sand, represents countless grains of sand, each moved by the wind, each contributing to the overall grandeur of the scene. The wind's artistry is not limited to grand landscapes. It also carves delicate details, shaping rocks into fantastical forms, creating intricate patterns and textures that reveal the passage of time. The wind's touch is subtle, yet powerful, leaving behind a legacy etched in stone. So next time you feel the wind on your face, take a moment to appreciate its power, not just as a force of nature, but as a tireless sculptor, a patient artist working with the canvas of the earth. Remember the immense patience of nature, the slow, gradual process of wind erosion, a testament to the power of time and the enduring beauty of the world around us. Let the wind's whisper remind you of the vastness of geological time, a timescale far beyond our own fleeting lives, yet intimately connected to our very existence. Breathe deeply and let the calmness of this process settle within you. The wind's patience is a lesson in the beauty of slow, deliberate change, a change that reveals the deeper, more profound beauty of our planet. Imagine yourself standing on a windswept plateau, the sun warm on your skin, a gentle breeze whispering through the grasses. Before you stretches a landscape sculpted by eons of wind and time, a testament to the patient artistry of nature. The rocks, worn smooth by the passage of centuries, seem to hum with a quiet energy, a silent symphony of geological time. Let your gaze drift across the scene, taking in the subtle nuances of the land, the delicate curves of the hills, the deep shadows in the canyons. Feel the stillness, the profound peace that permeates this ancient place. Here, amidst the vastness of nature, the relentless pace of modern life fades into insignificance. This is a meditative landscape, a place where you can connect with the slow, deliberate rhythms of the earth. A place where the whispers of the wind carry the stories of millennia, tales etched into the very fabric of the land. Each rock formation, each grain of sand, holds within it a history far older than human civilization. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, allowing the calmness of this place to wash over you. Feel the connection to the earth, the sense of belonging to something vast and ancient. The wind's gentle touch, the warm sun on your skin, the quiet hum of the land, all these are reminders of the enduring power of nature, its patience, its resilience. Contemplate the slow, gradual processes that have shaped this landscape, the wind's relentless sculpting, the slow creep of glaciers, the subtle shifts in the Earth's crust. These are not events that happen in a single lifetime, but processes that unfold over millions of years, a timescale that stretches our human understanding. In this meditative landscape, you can find a sense of peace, a connection to something larger than yourself. You can appreciate the beauty of slow, gradual change, the elegance of natural processes unfolding at their own pace. Let the tranquility of the scene soothe your mind. Let the vastness of time fill you with a sense of wonder and awe. Allow the quiet hum of the earth to calm your spirit and find solace in the enduring beauty of the natural world. Here, in this meditative space, you can reconnect with the essence of time, the stillness of being, and the enduring power of nature's gentle hand. Let the landscape's serenity wash over you and find peace in the rhythm of the earth. We live in a world of instant gratification, a whirlwind of activity where speed and efficiency reign supreme. Our lives are measured in minutes, hours, days, a fleeting blip in the grand scheme of things. But nature operates on a different timescale, a timescale measured in millennia, in eons. It is a realm of slow, deliberate processes, a realm of patient creation. Consider the wind, that seemingly gentle force that shapes the landscapes of our planet. It doesn't rush, it doesn't strive. It works with a quiet persistence, a gentle hand that molds and carves the land over vast stretches of time. A single grain of sand, moved by the wind, is a tiny act almost imperceptible. Yet, over millions of years, these countless tiny acts accumulate, transforming mountains into valleys, plains into deserts. This is the power of slowness, the power of patient persistence. It's a power that we, in our hurried lives, often overlook. We rush through our days, caught in the relentless cycle of activity, forgetting to appreciate the subtle beauty of the natural world unfolding at its own measured pace. The wind's slow, steady work isn't just about erosion. It's about creation too. It deposits sand, forming dunes that shift and change with the seasons, a silent dance between wind and earth. It shapes the rocks, creating intricate patterns and textures, a natural artistry that defies human imitation. It carves canyons, revealing layers of geological history, a story written in stone. Think of the towering redwoods, growing slowly but surely, reaching for the sky over centuries. Think of the coral reefs, built painstakingly by tiny creatures, creating underwater cities of vibrant life. Think of the mountains themselves, formed over millions of years by the slow collision of tectonic plates. These are not processes that we can witness in a single lifetime, but by understanding the power of slowness, we can appreciate the depth, the complexity, the sheer magnificence of the natural world. We can learn to slow down ourselves, to find peace in the quiet rhythms of nature, to appreciate the enduring beauty of the slow, deliberate processes that shape our planet. In the quiet contemplation of nature's patient artistry, we find a profound sense of peace and a deeper connection to the earth. Let the enduring power of slowness remind us to appreciate the delicate balance and profound beauty of the natural world. Let us learn from the wind and find our own rhythm in the vast, patient unfolding of time. The wind whispers secrets across the land, a tireless artist shaping the very fabric of our world. But it doesn't work alone. In a beautiful collaboration, the wind often partners with water, their combined forces creating landscapes of breathtaking beauty and complexity. Imagine a river, carving its way through a canyon, its relentless flow shaping the rock walls into smooth curves and jagged edges. The water's power is undeniable, but the wind plays a crucial role too. As the river carves its path, it exposes fresh rock faces to the elements. The wind, a patient sculptor, then takes over, polishing the surfaces, eroding the softer layers, and creating intricate patterns and textures. The wind carries away the loose sediment, further deepening the canyon and revealing the layers of geological history embedded within the rock. This collaborative effort creates a landscape that is far more dramatic and intricate than either force could achieve alone. Consider the coastal cliffs, where the relentless pounding of waves undercuts the rock, weakening its foundations. The wind then steps in, chipping away at the exposed edges, causing sections to crumble and fall, creating dramatic overhangs and breathtaking vistas. The sea's power carves the initial form, and the wind refines it, adding its delicate touches of artistry. In the deserts, the interplay is equally compelling. Water, though scarce, plays a vital role in shaping the landscape. Occasional flash floods carve channels through the desert floor, exposing layers of rock to the relentless wind. The wind then sculpts the exposed rock formations, creating fantastical shapes and patterns, from towering mesas to delicate hoodoos, each a testament to the power of this natural partnership. The wind and water don't merely erode, they reveal. They unveil the layers of history hidden beneath the surface, revealing ancient seas, volcanic eruptions, and the slow, deliberate processes that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Their collaboration is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature, a reminder that even seemingly disparate forces can work together to create something truly magnificent. The landscapes they create are not merely geological formations. They are living canvases, constantly evolving, forever changing, a testament to the enduring power of collaboration and the quiet beauty of time itself. These partnerships, silent yet powerful, continue to shape our world, whispering tales of ancient forces and the enduring power of nature's artistry. Imagine a landscape sculpted by time itself, a canvas painted with the strokes of wind and sun. This is the desert, a realm where wind erosion reigns supreme, crafting formations of astonishing beauty and otherworldly charm. Here, the wind, a patient artist, works its magic over millennia, revealing the secrets held within the earth. Picture the hoodoos, those whimsical spires of rock that rise from the desert floor like ancient sentinels. They stand as testament to the wind's persistent power, its ability to carve and shape, to etch intricate details into the very fabric of the land. These delicate towers, often capped with a harder layer of rock that protects them from further erosion, are a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. Each hoodoo tells a story of layers of sediment, of ancient climates, and of the wind's relentless work over eons. Then there are the yardongs, elongated ridges carved by the wind's relentless abrasion. These streamlined forms, often found in vast, desolate plains, are shaped by the wind's directional flow, their smooth, sculpted surfaces reflecting the wind's persistent dance across the landscape. They are silent witnesses to the wind's power, their very existence a testament to the enduring forces that shape our planet. The wind, in the desert, is a master sculptor, working with a palette of sand and rock, shaping and reshaping the landscape in a continuous, ever-evolving process. It carves intricate patterns into sandstone cliffs, creating dramatic arches and delicate alcoves. It polishes smooth surfaces, revealing the underlying textures and colors of the rock. It even sculpts the sand itself, creating rolling dunes that shift and change with the wind's every whim. The desert, therefore, is not a barren wasteland, but a vibrant, dynamic landscape, constantly sculpted and reshaped by the wind. It is a place of breathtaking beauty, a testament to the power of slow, persistent change. Each grain of sand, each rock formation, each sweeping dune tells a story of geological time, a narrative whispered on the wind, a testament to the enduring artistry of nature's patient hand. The desert's beauty lies not only in its vastness and stillness, but in the dynamic interplay of wind, rock, and time, a silent ballet played out across millennia. It's a landscape that invites contemplation, a place where the vastness of time and the power of nature intertwine, leaving the observer humbled and awestruck. Let the rhythmic crash of waves be our guide as we journey to the coast, where the wind's artistry intertwines with the ocean's relentless embrace. Here, the elements collaborate in a breathtaking performance, sculpting dramatic coastlines over eons. Imagine towering cliffs, their faces etched with the stories of countless storms and the ceaseless gnawing of the sea. These majestic sentinels stand as testaments to the power of time, their rugged surfaces a canvas of wind and water's combined artistry. The wind, a tireless sculptor, works in concert with the waves. Salt-laden spray, propelled by the wind, acts like a fine abrasive, slowly polishing and smoothing the rock faces. It carves intricate patterns, revealing the layers of geological history hidden within the cliffs. The wind's persistent assault, coupled with the pounding waves, erodes the softer rock, leaving behind more resistant layers in striking formations. Picture dramatic arches, their graceful curves a testament to the relentless power of erosion. These natural bridges, carved over millennia, stand as symbols of resilience and the beauty of impermanence. They are temporary masterpieces, poised between existence and collapse, each one a unique testament to the intricate interplay between wind, water, and rock. The wind also shapes the coastlines in subtler ways. It transports sand, carving delicate patterns into the dunes and shaping the very beaches themselves. It deposits salt crystals, leaving behind delicate crusts on rock surfaces, further contributing to the erosion process. The wind's subtle sculpting, a constant whisper of change, adds to the overall beauty and complexity of the coastal landscape. Coastal cliffs, with their layered strata, are like open books revealing the Earth's layered history. Each band of rock tells a story of ancient seas, volcanic activity, and shifting climates. The wind, by eroding away the softer layers, unveils this geological narrative, offering us a glimpse into Earth's deep past. The wind, the waves, and time itself work together, revealing the secrets hidden within the rock, a breathtaking spectacle of natural artistry. As we stand before these coastal carvings, we are reminded of the profound power of slow, persistent change, a power that shapes not only the landscape, but also our understanding of the Earth's history and the intricate dance of its natural forces. The coast, a dynamic boundary where land and sea meet, is a powerful reminder of the planet's ever-evolving beauty. Now, let us ascend to the heights, where the wind carves its masterpieces in stone amongst the peaks and valleys of majestic mountains. Here, in the realm of snow and ice, wind erosion takes on a different character, sculpting landscapes of breathtaking sharpness and grandeur. Imagine jagged peaks piercing the sky, their edges honed by centuries of relentless wind. These are the arêtes, knife-edged ridges formed where glaciers have carved away at opposing slopes, leaving behind a testament to the power of ice and wind working in tandem. Picture these arêtes, slender and sharp, like the bones of ancient giants, reaching for the heavens. They are born from a slow, patient dance between ice and wind, a collaboration of immense forces shaping the landscape over millennia. The wind, often carrying ice crystals and sand, acts as a relentless sculptor, further refining these already dramatic features. It chips away at the exposed rock, smoothing some surfaces while sharpening others, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow. Think of the wind's relentless work as a form of glacial polishing, but on a far grander, more dramatic scale. The glaciers, like colossal rasps, initially shape the mountain's contours. Then, the wind takes over, a meticulous artisan, further refining the forms, honing the edges, and adding the final, delicate touches. The result is a landscape of exquisite beauty, a testament to the power and precision of nature's artistry. Consider the horns, those pyramidal peaks sculpted by glaciers from all sides. These majestic sentinels, their faces etched with the stories of countless winters, stand as symbols of enduring strength and the relentless forces of nature. The wind, working in conjunction with the ice, further refines these dramatic formations, emphasizing their sharp, angular features. Each ridge, each crevice, tells a story of erosion, a testament to the slow, patient work of geological time. The wind's influence extends beyond the arêtes and horns. It shapes the entire mountain landscape, influencing the formation of cirques, bowl-shaped depressions carved out by glaciers, and hanging valleys, smaller valleys suspended high above the main valley floor. These features, sculpted by a combination of glacial and wind erosion, create a breathtaking tapestry of peaks, valleys, and ridges. The wind, a constant presence in these high-altitude environments, plays a crucial role in sculpting the dramatic forms we see today. The mountains, therefore, are not just static giants, but dynamic entities constantly shaped and reshaped by the relentless forces of nature. They are living monuments to the profound power of wind and time working together, an ever-evolving testament to the Earth's geological history. The wind, a tireless sculptor, doesn't merely erode, it also creates. It's a delicate balancing act, a constant interplay between destruction and construction, erosion and deposition. Imagine the wind, a tireless hand, sweeping across vast plains, carrying with it countless grains of sand, dust, and silt. These tiny particles, seemingly insignificant individually, possess a collective power capable of shaping the landscape in profound ways. As the wind carries these particles, it doesn't simply whisk them away into oblivion. Instead, it deposits them, layer upon layer, building new landforms in a process as intricate and fascinating as the erosion itself. Consider the sand dunes, those majestic, undulating waves of sand, sculpted by the wind's persistent breath. Each grain, meticulously placed, contributes to the overall form, a testament to the wind's subtle yet powerful artistry. Picture the vastness of the desert, a sea of sand stretching as far as the eye can see. These expansive dunes are not static entities. They are constantly shifting, reshaped by the wind's capricious dance. The wind's power is evident in the way it creates and destroys these magnificent formations, a testament to the constant flux of nature's processes. It is a dance of creation and destruction, a continuous cycle of change. But the wind's constructive power extends beyond the dramatic forms of sand dunes. It also plays a role in the formation of loess deposits, those fertile blankets of wind-blown silt that cover vast areas of the world. These deposits, built up over millennia, are a testament to the wind's ability to transport and deposit vast quantities of sediment. They represent a legacy of wind-borne materials, a silent record of past environmental conditions. Think of the lush plains, fertile lands created from the wind's careful deposition of silt and clay. These lands, seemingly barren at first glance, are actually rich in nutrients, supporting a vibrant ecosystem. The wind, often seen as a destructive force, is also a creator, a builder of fertile landscapes, nurturing life through its subtle artistry. The balance between erosion and deposition is not always even. Sometimes erosion dominates, carving out dramatic canyons and shaping jagged peaks. At other times, deposition takes center stage, building up sand dunes and fertile lush plains. But it's this continuous interplay, this delicate dance between these opposing forces, that shapes the Earth's diverse landscapes. The wind, in its ceaseless motion, is both destroyer and creator, a force of nature that constantly reshapes the world around us. It's a story written in sand, etched in stone, and whispered on the wind itself. It's a story of balance, a testament to the intricate processes that shape our planet. Listen closely, and you can almost hear the whispers of the wind, a story etched into the very fabric of our planet. Over eons, this tireless sculptor has shaped the Earth's surface, leaving an indelible mark on its landscapes. Its legacy is not one of sudden, dramatic change, but rather a patient, persistent reshaping, a testament to the power of time itself. Consider the vast deserts, sculpted by the wind's relentless breath, the towering mesas, the intricate hoodoos, the sweeping sand dunes. All are testaments to the wind's patient artistry. These formations are not merely random accidents of nature. They are the result of millions of years of erosion, each grain of sand meticulously removed, each rock carefully shaped. Look to the coastlines, where the wind collaborates with the waves, carving dramatic cliffs and shaping intricate arches. The wind's power is evident in the way it erodes the softer rock, creating breathtaking formations that stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. The wind's influence is not limited to the coasts. It reaches into the high mountains, sculpting sharp peaks and carving deep valleys. Imagine the wind's breath, a constant caress shaping the mountains, smoothing the edges of sharp rocks, and carving intricate details into the stone. The wind's hand is evident in the rounded shapes of weathered rocks, in the sculpted valleys, and in the delicate patterns etched into ancient stone faces. This is not destruction, but a constant, slow transformation. Wind erosion is not simply a destructive process. It's a revealing one. As the wind removes layers of rock, it exposes deeper layers, revealing clues to our planet's past. Ancient fossils, buried for millennia, are sometimes brought to light, offering glimpses into the life that once thrived on Earth. Volcanic layers, long hidden beneath the surface, are exposed, revealing the fiery heart of our planet. The wind's legacy is not just in the grand landscapes it creates, but also in the smaller details. The intricate patterns etched into rocks, the smooth surfaces of wind-worn stones, the delicate balance of sand dunes. These all speak of the wind's patient, persistent work. It is a story of immense time, a narrative whispered across millennia, written not in ink or paper, but in the very landscape itself. Each grain of sand, each weathered rock, is a testament to the wind's enduring presence, a tangible representation of its enduring influence. And so, as we gaze upon the Earth's majestic landscapes, let us remember the wind's quiet hand, shaping the world around us, revealing the secrets of time, and leaving behind a legacy of breathtaking beauty. The wind's legacy is a testament to the power of slow, persistent change, a reminder that even the most subtle forces can, over time, reshape the world. It is a legacy of beauty, mystery, and wonder, a story etched into the heart of our planet, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. Imagine the wind as a silent storyteller, whispering tales of geological time across the vast canvas of our planet. Its narrative is not one of isolated events, but of interconnected processes, a complex tapestry woven from the threads of erosion, deposition, and the relentless march of time. It's a story of how wind, time, and the Earth's geological processes are intricately linked, a dance of creation and destruction that has shaped the world we know. The wind's influence extends far beyond the simple movement of sand. It interacts with other geological forces, creating a symphony of change. Consider the mountains, their towering peaks sculpted not only by the wind's patient erosion, but also by the powerful forces of tectonic uplift and glacial carving. The wind's work is interwoven with the Earth's internal dynamism, a testament to the interconnectedness of natural systems. The wind's dance with water is equally captivating. Coastal landscapes are sculpted by the combined forces of wind and waves, a relentless erosion that reveals layers of geological history. The wind carries moisture, influencing rainfall patterns and shaping the distribution of vegetation, which in turn influences erosion rates. It's a delicate balance, a constant interplay of forces that shapes the Earth's surface. The wind's role in deposition is just as significant as its role in erosion. It carries fertile dust, creating vast lush plains, and transports sand, building towering dunes. These deposits, in turn, influence the local ecosystems, creating habitats for unique flora and fauna. This cycle of erosion and deposition is a continuous process, a testament to the cyclical nature of geological time. Think of the fossilized remains of ancient life, often exposed by the wind's relentless erosion. These relics of the past provide invaluable insights into the Earth's history, revealing the evolution of life and the changing climates of bygone eras. The wind, in its patient work, unveils these hidden stories, connecting the past to the present. The story of wind erosion is not just about the shaping of landscapes. It's about the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. It's a story of how the wind, time, and geological processes work together in a breathtaking ballet of creation and destruction, constantly reshaping the face of our planet. It's a reminder that everything is connected, a complex interplay of forces that has shaped the world we inhabit and continues to do so today. The wind's legacy is a reminder of the vastness of geological time, the power of slow, persistent change, and the intricate interconnectedness of our planet's systems. It's a story that unfolds over millennia, a narrative etched not just in stone, but in every grain of sand, every sculpted dune, every windswept valley. It's a story worth listening to, a story that speaks to the profound beauty and interconnectedness of our world. Each breath of wind carries a whisper of this story, a reminder of the Earth's enduring power and the profound influence of time. Let us now gaze upon the artistry of wind erosion, a masterpiece painted across the face of the Earth over eons of time. Imagine a vast canvas, not of oil and pigment, but of rock and sand, sculpted by the invisible hand of the wind. The textures are infinite, the colors breathtaking. A symphony of earthy hues woven into a breathtaking panorama. Picture the sweeping curves of the sand dunes, shifting and whispering under the wind's breath, each grain a tiny brushstroke in nature's grand design. These ephemeral sculptures are constantly changing, a testament to the wind's dynamic power, yet their very impermanence adds to their beauty. They are a living artwork, constantly evolving, a testament to the forces of nature at play. Now, let your eyes wander to the towering cliffs, etched with the intricate patterns of wind erosion. Notice the delicate carvings, the intricate lacework of rock, shaped by the relentless yet patient hand of the wind. These are not mere geological formations. They are nature's sculptures, each one unique and breathtaking in its own right. Consider the stark beauty of the canyons, carved deep into the earth by the wind's tireless work. These colossal fissures are testaments to the power of time and the relentless force of nature, revealing layers of geological history in their deep, shadowed recesses. The layers within them are like pages of an ancient book, each telling a story of past climates and geological events. The wind's artistry is not confined to grand landscapes. It manifests in the smallest details. Observe the delicate patterns etched into the surfaces of rocks, the miniature sculptures created by the wind's patient work. These subtle details, often overlooked, reveal the artist's meticulous attention to detail, a testament to nature's profound creativity. The wind's artistry is not static. It is a dynamic process, constantly evolving, constantly changing. The landscapes it creates are not mere formations. They are living, breathing entities, constantly responding to the wind's influence. They are a testament to the power of time and the relentless force of nature, a continuous interplay between creation and destruction. This is a canvas that is constantly being reworked, a masterpiece in progress, a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. It is a story written in stone, a narrative of geological time, a testament to the patient hand of the wind, and a breathtaking spectacle of natural artistry. The wind, in its tireless journey across the globe, is a sculptor, a painter, a weaver of landscapes, creating a tapestry of time that is both awe-inspiring and deeply moving. It is a masterpiece of immeasurable scale and unparalleled beauty. The wind whispers secrets across the land, a continuous dialogue etched into the very fabric of our planet. Its voice, though soft, is persistent, a constant shaping force that reshapes the Earth's face, one grain of sand, one flake of rock at a time. Even as we speak, the wind continues its tireless work, a sculptor forever molding the landscapes we see. Imagine the vast deserts stretching to the horizon, their sands constantly shifting, a testament to the wind's ongoing power. Each gust, each gentle breeze, leaves its subtle mark, a tiny change that, over time, accumulates into significant alterations. The dunes rise and fall, their shapes ever-changing, a dance between the wind and the earth. Consider the towering mesas, their sandstone faces worn smooth by the relentless abrasion of wind-borne particles. These ancient sentinels stand as silent witnesses to the wind's ceaseless work, each grain of sand a tiny chisel chipping away at their majestic forms, slowly yet surely altering their silhouettes across millennia. Even in seemingly stable landscapes, the wind's influence is palpable. The leaves rustle, the grasses sway, a constant reminder of the wind's pervasive presence. These subtle movements are not merely aesthetic. They are the very mechanics of erosion, the slow, gradual shaping of the land. Each rustle, each sway, is a tiny contribution to the grand design, a whisper in the ongoing conversation between wind and earth. The wind carries with it not only the power to erode, but also the capacity to create. It transports sand and dust, depositing them in new locations, shaping fertile plains and creating unique geological formations. This is a cycle of creation and destruction, a continuous interplay of forces that shapes the very essence of our planet. The process is slow, almost imperceptible to the casual observer. Yet, over geological timescales, the cumulative effect is profound, a testament to the power of gradual change. The wind's work is a testament to the enduring power of time, a reminder that the Earth is not a static entity, but a dynamic, ever-evolving world. As we listen to the whispers of the wind, we can hear the echoes of geological time, a vast and profound narrative etched into the very landscape around us. It's a story of constant change, of creation and destruction, of the relentless power of nature, and the enduring beauty of a world in perpetual motion. The wind's song is a lullaby of geological time, a soothing melody that invites us to contemplate the vastness of Earth's history and the continuous shaping of its magnificent landscapes. The whispers continue, a constant reminder of the planet's ever-evolving beauty. And as we listen, we become part of this timeless narrative, connected to the Earth's deep history through the gentle murmur of the wind. The wind's patient artistry, as it sculpts the Earth's surface, holds more than just aesthetic appeal. It holds the key to understanding our planet's rich and complex history. By studying the patterns of erosion, the shapes of the land, and the stories etched into the rock, we gain invaluable insights into the forces that have shaped our world. Each canyon, each dune, each sculpted rock formation is a chapter in Earth's epic story. These natural archives reveal clues about past climates, ancient ecosystems, and the geological processes that have unfolded over millions of years. The layers of rock, exposed by the relentless work of the wind, are like pages in a giant book, each layer telling its own unique tale of time. For example, the presence of certain minerals or fossils within exposed rock strata can indicate past environmental conditions, such as temperature, rainfall, and the types of plants and animals that once thrived in the area. The orientation and shape of eroded features can tell us about the direction and intensity of prevailing winds over long periods. These are not just isolated pieces of information. They are interconnected clues that paint a vivid picture of Earth's dynamic past. Understanding wind erosion is not merely an academic exercise. It has practical implications for our present and future. By studying these processes, we can better predict how landscapes might respond to future climate change, assess the risk of desertification, and develop strategies for land management and conservation. The insights gained from understanding wind erosion help us to appreciate the fragility of our planet's ecosystems and the importance of sustainable practices. The study of wind erosion also allows us to appreciate the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. The wind's work is not isolated. It's intertwined with other geological processes, such as rainfall, tectonic activity, and the actions of ice and water. Understanding these interactions is crucial for comprehending the complexity of our planet and for predicting its future trajectory. As we delve deeper into the study of wind erosion, we move beyond simply observing the beauty of the landscapes. We begin to understand the underlying processes that have shaped them. This understanding allows us to appreciate not only the artistry of nature, but also the intricate mechanisms that govern our planet's evolution. It's a journey of discovery that connects us to the deep past and empowers us to make informed decisions about our future. By understanding the whispers of the wind, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet's story, a story etched in stone, sculpted by time, and revealed by the ceaseless work of the wind. The wind's song is a timeless symphony, and as we listen, we learn to read the score of our planet's history. Let us pause for a moment and consider the immense timescale involved in the processes we've been exploring. Wind erosion is not a hurried affair. It's a patient, meticulous sculptor working across millennia, shaping the Earth with a gentle yet unwavering hand. Each grain of sand, each tiny particle of rock, contributes to the grand design over eons. This slow, deliberate process demands our respect, a recognition of the deep time involved in the creation of the landscapes we admire. Consider the delicate balance within Earth's ecosystems. Wind erosion, while a force of change, is also an integral part of a larger, interconnected system. The removal of soil in one area can lead to deposition in another, creating fertile grounds for new life. The sculpted canyons and windswept dunes are not simply the result of destruction. They are vital habitats for unique flora and fauna, each adapted to the specific conditions of these sculpted environments. The slow pace of these natural processes reminds us of the importance of patience and long-term perspective. Human interventions, often driven by immediate needs, can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to unintended consequences that may take centuries to repair. Respecting the slow, patient work of nature necessitates a thoughtful approach to land management, a mindful awareness of the interconnectedness of all living things. Our appreciation for the beauty of these wind-sculpted landscapes should be coupled with a deep respect for the delicate ecosystems they support. The intricate relationship between wind, rock, soil, and life is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature, a reminder of the interconnectedness that binds all things. We are but fleeting visitors in this grand spectacle of geological time, and our actions should reflect a deep respect for the processes that have shaped our planet and continue to shape it today. This profound understanding fosters a sense of responsibility, a commitment to preserving the natural beauty and ecological integrity of our planet. By acknowledging the immense power and delicate balance inherent in natural processes, we can strive to live in harmony with the Earth, respecting the slow, patient work of nature and ensuring its continued flourishing for generations to come. Let us tread lightly upon this Earth, mindful of the immense time and intricate processes that have shaped its magnificent landscapes. The wind's gentle hand continues to sculpt, and our respect for its work is a testament to our understanding of the Earth's intricate dance through time. Let us listen to the wind's wisdom, and let it guide our actions towards a future where both humanity and nature thrive. Imagine a silent ballet, a timeless dance played out across the vast canvas of Earth. The dancers are wind and rock, two seemingly disparate entities locked in an eternal embrace. The wind, an ethereal spirit, whispers secrets across the land, its breath a caress that shapes and molds the ancient stones. It is a dance of attrition, a slow, graceful erosion that reveals the Earth's hidden heart. The wind's touch is both gentle and powerful, It caresses the exposed surfaces of rock, wearing away at the edges with an almost imperceptible patience. Over time, this delicate dance carves intricate patterns, creating breathtaking sculptures that stand as testaments to the wind's enduring artistry. Jagged peaks are softened, harsh edges are smoothed, and the rock yields to the wind's persistent persuasion. The wind carries away the dust and debris, revealing layers of rock formed over eons. Each layer tells a story, a record of ancient climates, volcanic eruptions, and the rise and fall of ancient seas. The wind, in its relentless dance with rock, unveils the Earth's hidden history, etching tales of time into the very fabric of the landscape. This dance is not one of destruction, but of transformation. The wind's relentless action creates breathtaking landscapes, from towering sandstone canyons to delicate desert mesas. It sculpts the land into majestic forms, each a unique expression of the wind's enduring power and artistry. Imagine the wind as a painter, its brushstrokes the countless grains of sand, each carefully placed to create a masterpiece that spans millennia. The rock, in turn, offers a steadfast resistance, a testament to its enduring strength. It yields to the wind's persistent pressure, yet it also endures, its resilience a reflection of Earth's own unwavering spirit. The interplay between these two forces creates a breathtaking spectacle, a dynamic interplay between power and yielding, creation and destruction, and the constant shaping of our planet's surface. It is a continuous dialogue, a timeless conversation between the ephemeral breath of the wind and the enduring strength of the rock. As we listen to the whispers of the wind, we can almost hear the story of this dance, a story etched in stone, a legacy of time and transformation. This powerful and poetic dance of wind and rock continues, a silent yet dramatic testament to the enduring power of nature, a rhythm that echoes through the ages, shaping our world in ways both subtle and breathtaking. It is a dance worth contemplating, a dance that embodies the very essence of geological time. We've journeyed together through vast stretches of time, witnessing the silent drama of wind erosion unfolding across the face of our planet. We've seen the wind, a tireless sculptor, shaping mountains and valleys, carving canyons and deserts, revealing the secrets held within the Earth's ancient stones. It's a symphony played out over millennia, a timeless composition of erosion and deposition, a testament to the enduring power of nature. This isn't just a story of destruction, but of creation. The wind, in its relentless dance with the rock, doesn't merely tear down. It builds anew. It deposits the sculpted fragments, creating fertile plains and shifting dunes, shaping landscapes that support life in countless forms. The wind's artistry is a constant process of reshaping, a beautiful cycle of destruction and renewal that has shaped the very world we inhabit. Consider the towering mesas, the sculpted canyons, the delicate arches of desert landscapes, each a masterpiece crafted by the patient hand of the wind. These are not merely geological formations. They are living works of art, constantly evolving, always changing, yet eternally beautiful. They are a testament to the power of time, the tenacity of nature, and the subtle artistry of the wind. The story of wind erosion isn't just about the physical transformation of the landscape. It's a story about the unveiling of history. Each layer of exposed rock, each grain of sand sculpted by the wind, tells a tale of Earth's past. It speaks of ancient climates, of volcanic eruptions, of the rise and fall of oceans, of the incredible journey of life itself. The wind, in its persistent work, reveals the profound history etched within the Earth's very bones. And as we listen to the wind's whispers, we come to understand its significance. It is a reminder of the vastness of geological time, the power of natural processes, and the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Understanding wind erosion allows us to appreciate the subtle complexities of our world, the intricate interconnectedness of all things, and the importance of respecting the delicate balance of nature. This symphony of wind and rock, played out over eons, is a masterpiece of creation and destruction, a constant dance of change and renewal. It is a story that speaks to the beauty, power, and profound significance of the natural world, a reminder of our place within this vast and wondrous tapestry of time. Let the imagery of this timeless symphony resonate within you, a gentle reminder of the Earth's enduring beauty and the wonder of its unfolding story. Imagine, if you will, a landscape sculpted not by human hands, but by the tireless breath of the wind itself. Picture towering sandstone cliffs, their surfaces etched with intricate patterns, a testament to the wind's patient artistry. Envision canyons so deep, so vast, that they seem to swallow the very light, their walls a tapestry of colors woven over millennia by the wind's ceaseless work. Consider the delicate arches of the desert, impossibly balanced, seemingly defying gravity itself, each a testament to the wind's gentle yet powerful touch. These are not merely formations of rock and sand. They are breathtaking works of art, created by a force both relentless and sublime. The wind, in its tireless dance across the land, has painted a masterpiece on the face of the earth. Picture the sweeping dunes of the desert, their surfaces shifting and changing with every gust, a living testament to the wind's dynamic power. These aren't just heaps of sand. They are fluid sculptures, constantly reshaped, constantly evolving, a mesmerizing display of nature's ever-changing artistry. The wind whispers secrets in the shifting sands, secrets only the desert knows. Think of the hoodoos, those whimsical rock formations that rise like ancient sentinels from the desert floor, each one unique, each one a testament to the wind's individual touch. They stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their forms sculpted by the wind's persistent hand. They are reminders of the boundless creativity found within the natural world. These are not just geological wonders. They are expressions of nature's inherent artistry, a demonstration of the beauty and power that emerge from the relentless forces of nature. The wind, in its tireless work, creates landscapes that inspire awe, landscapes that capture the imagination, and landscapes that remind us of the profound beauty of our planet. Let your mind wander through these landscapes. Let your imagination soar among the towering cliffs and sculpted dunes. Feel the wind's breath on your skin, hear its whispers in the canyons, and witness the artistry of nature unfolding before your eyes. For in these breathtaking landscapes, we find a profound connection to the earth, a connection to the power of time, and a connection to the breathtaking beauty of the natural world. Each sculpted rock, each shifting dune, each breathtaking vista is a testament to the wind's enduring legacy as a master artist. Close your eyes and let the images linger, a testament to the artistry of nature's masterpiece. Let us now turn our attention to the canvas upon which the wind paints its masterpieces. Geological time. This is not a timescale measured in mere years or even centuries, but in eons, in millennia, in stretches of time so vast they defy human comprehension. It's a canvas painted slowly, patiently, with strokes that take lifetimes to complete. Consider a single grain of sand carried on the wind's breath. It may journey for miles, perhaps even continents, before finally settling, adding its tiny weight to a dune, a cliff face, a canyon wall. This seemingly insignificant act, repeated countless times, over countless years, contributes to the grand, sweeping landscapes we see today. Imagine the mountains, those colossal monuments to the Earth's power. They stand as silent witnesses to the wind's relentless work, their peaks and valleys sculpted over millions of years, their very essence shaped by the wind's patient hand. Each crevice, each fissure, each sculpted peak tells a story of geological time, a story written in stone. The wind's artistry isn't a frantic rush. It's a slow, deliberate dance. It's a process of erosion and deposition, of building and breaking down, of creation and destruction, all unfolding on a timescale that stretches far beyond our human experience. It's a patient process, a testament to the enduring power of time itself. Think of the layers of rock exposed in a canyon wall, each layer representing a different era, a different climate, a different period in the Earth's long and fascinating history. These are not just layers of rock. They are pages in the Earth's ancient book, each one telling a story of geological time. The wind, in its persistent work, reveals these stories, slowly uncovering the secrets held within the Earth's crust. It's a process of unveiling, of revelation, of uncovering the hidden history etched within the very fabric of our planet. The wind's patient hand reveals the Earth's story, one grain of sand, one sculpted rock, one breathtaking landscape at a time. This vast timescale, this geological canvas, stretches far beyond our limited human perspective. It demands patience, it demands contemplation, it demands a deep appreciation for the profound forces that shape our planet. And as we gaze upon these wind-sculpted landscapes, we can't help but feel a sense of awe, a sense of wonder, a sense of connection to the vastness of time itself. It is a humbling experience, a reminder of our place within the grand scheme of things. The wind's work is a testament to the enduring power of patience and the beauty of time's slow, steady hand. The wind, a tireless archaeologist, patiently unearths the secrets of our planet's past. It whispers stories etched into the very fabric of the Earth, revealing a history far older than any human record. As the wind carves and shapes the landscape, it exposes layers of rock, each a page in Earth's ancient tome. These layers are not simply inert rock. They are time capsules, preserving clues about past climates, dramatic geological events, and the forms of life that once thrived upon this planet. Within the exposed strata, we find evidence of ancient seas, long-vanished forests, and volcanic eruptions that shook the very foundations of the Earth. Imagine the wind revealing the remnants of a prehistoric ocean, its fossilized creatures now exposed to the sun and wind, their skeletal remains whispering tales of a world long gone. Or consider the layers of sedimentary rock, each band a record of a specific period, a specific climate, a specific event in Earth's history. The wind's erosion doesn't just reveal the rocks themselves. It reveals the processes that shaped them. We see evidence of ancient rivers, their paths carved into the land, long after the water has ceased to flow. We see the remnants of glaciers, their icy grip leaving behind distinctive markings on the rock, even as the ice itself has melted and receded. The wind's work is a continuous process of revelation, slowly but surely uncovering the Earth's hidden narrative. It's a story of dramatic shifts in climate, of periods of intense volcanic activity, of the slow, steady rise and fall of mountain ranges. It's a story of life itself, of the evolution and extinction of countless species, their fossilized remains now exposed to the elements. As we study these wind-sculpted landscapes, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate processes that have shaped our planet over millions of years. We see the evidence of past catastrophes, the remnants of ancient ecosystems, and the slow, persistent power of geological forces. The wind's work is a testament to the resilience of life, to its ability to adapt and evolve in the face of changing conditions. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, of the delicate balance between creation and destruction, between building and breaking down. And as we listen to the wind's song, we hear the whispers of a planet's long and fascinating history, a story patiently unveiled by the wind itself. The wind, in its subtle yet powerful way, continues to reveal the Earth's secrets, one grain of sand at a time, one sculpted rock at a time, one breathtaking landscape at a time. It is a story perpetually unfolding, a narrative written in stone, revealed by the breath of the wind. Listen closely, and you might hear it, the wind's song, a low hum that resonates through the ages. It's a song of creation and destruction, a melody woven from the sighs of millennia. It's not a song of sudden bursts, but a gentle, persistent rhythm, a constant sculpting of the Earth's face. Imagine the wind as a tireless artist, its brushstrokes the grains of sand, the dust motes, the tiny fragments of rock it carries on its breath. Over eons, these seemingly insignificant particles become potent tools, shaping mountains, carving canyons, and etching intricate patterns into the very stone. The wind's song is a ballad of erosion, a slow, deliberate removal of material, revealing the Earth's hidden layers, its geological secrets. It's a process so gradual that it's almost imperceptible in a human lifetime, yet over millions of years, its cumulative effect is monumental. Think of the wind as a patient sculptor, chipping away at the rock face, revealing the beauty hidden within. It smooths harsh edges, creating gentle curves and flowing lines, It carves deep crevices, creating dramatic shadows and highlighting the textures of the stone. The wind's song is an ode to time, a testament to the immense power of gradual change. It's a reminder that even the most formidable mountains are not immutable, that even the sturdiest rocks are subject to the relentless forces of nature. Picture the wind as a master painter, blending colors and textures with its breath. The desert sands, once a uniform expanse, are transformed into a kaleidoscope of dunes, each ripple and curve a testament to the wind's artistry. The rock formations, once monotonous, become masterpieces of erosion, each a unique sculpture formed by the wind's patient hand. The wind's song is a lullaby of the earth, a calming rhythm that has played for millions of years. It's a song of transformation, a constant reshaping of the landscape, a reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. It's a song that invites us to contemplate the vastness of geological time, the slow, relentless dance of creation and destruction. And as we listen to this ancient melody, we are reminded of our own place within this grand, ongoing process, a small but significant part of the Earth's ever-evolving story. The wind's song continues, a timeless composition played out across the landscapes of our world. The wind's work is never truly finished. Even as we stand in awe of the landscapes it has shaped, the wind continues its tireless task, subtly altering the Earth's face, leaving its mark on the present and shaping the future. The canyons that stand as testaments to millions of years of erosion are not static monuments. They are dynamic systems, constantly being reshaped by the wind's persistent breath. Each gust, each sandstorm, contributes to the ongoing narrative of geological change, adding new layers to the story etched in stone. Consider the desert, a canvas constantly being reworked by the wind. The dunes shift and reform, a mesmerizing dance of creation and destruction. What appears as a static landscape is, in reality, a living, breathing entity, constantly responding to the wind's capricious whims. The patterns we see today are transient, a fleeting moment in the grand scheme of geological time. The wind's legacy extends beyond the immediate landscape. The fine particles it carries, the dust and sand it transports across vast distances, contribute to the formation of new landforms, enriching soils in some areas and shaping the very composition of the Earth's surface. These seemingly insignificant grains of sand, carried on the wind's breath, are the building blocks of future landscapes. Think of the wind as a storyteller, its tales inscribed not in parchment but in the very fabric of the earth. The stories it tells are vast and complex, spanning millennia and encompassing countless geological events. Each grain of sand, each sculpted rock formation, whispers a fragment of this epic narrative. The wind's influence extends to the very air we breathe, carrying pollen and seeds, shaping climates, and influencing weather patterns. It plays a vital role in the delicate balance of ecosystems, affecting plant life, animal migration, and the very fabric of life on Earth. It's a reminder that even the most seemingly subtle forces can have profound and far-reaching consequences. As we gaze upon the landscapes shaped by the wind, we are not simply observing the past. We are witnessing a process that is still unfolding, a story that is still being written. The wind's legacy is not a static monument but a dynamic, ever-evolving narrative, a testament to the Earth's enduring capacity for change and renewal. It's a reminder that the forces of nature are constantly at work, shaping our world in ways both subtle and dramatic, constantly reminding us of the power and beauty of geological time. And as the wind whispers its timeless song, we are reminded of our own transient existence within this grand and enduring process. The breathtaking landscapes sculpted by wind erosion are not merely aesthetically pleasing. They are invaluable repositories of geological history, offering us a window into the deep past. These ancient formations hold clues about past climates, tectonic events, and the evolution of life on Earth. Protecting these sites is not just about preserving beauty. It's about safeguarding a priceless archive of our planet's story. The delicate balance of these ecosystems is easily disrupted. Human activities, from unsustainable land management practices to pollution, can accelerate erosion, damaging these irreplaceable landscapes and erasing the geological records they contain. The subtle shifts in wind patterns, influenced by climate change, can also alter the delicate equilibrium, threatening the very features that make these places so unique. Preserving these wind-sculpted marvels requires a multifaceted approach. Careful land management practices are crucial, minimizing human impact and allowing natural processes to continue their slow, intricate work. Sustainable tourism initiatives can help balance the desire for access with the need for conservation, ensuring that future generations can experience the wonder of these places without compromising their integrity. Moreover, scientific research plays a vital role in understanding the processes that shape these landscapes and developing effective conservation strategies. By studying the intricate interplay of wind, rock, and time, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of how these ecosystems function and what threats they face. This knowledge is essential for developing effective conservation plans that protect these invaluable geological treasures. The aesthetic value of these wind-eroded landscapes is undeniable. Their beauty inspires awe and wonder, reminding us of the immense power and artistry of nature. These places are not just geological sites. They are sources of inspiration, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the intricate processes that shape our planet. Protecting them is a testament to our commitment to preserving the planet's natural heritage for generations to come. We must recognize that these landscapes are not just geological wonders, but also a vital part of our cultural and aesthetic heritage. Beyond their scientific and aesthetic value, these landscapes often hold cultural significance for indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with these environments for centuries. Their traditional knowledge and practices provide invaluable insights into sustainable land management and offer a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of human societies and the natural world. Protecting these sites is, therefore, also about honoring the cultural heritage of these communities and respecting their deep connection to the land. The preservation of these wind-eroded landscapes is a testament to our commitment to safeguarding not just the past, but also the future of our planet and the rich tapestry of life it supports. It is an act of stewardship, ensuring that the whispers of time continue to resonate through the ages. Imagine the wind, not merely as a gentle breeze, but as the breath of the earth itself, a vital force that shapes our planet's surface with an artistry born of time and tireless motion. It is a sculptor, patient and persistent. Its tools the grains of sand, the dust motes, the very particles of the earth, carried on invisible currents. This breath, unseen yet powerfully felt, whispers secrets across vast distances, carrying tales etched in the very fabric of the land. It carves canyons into stone, revealing layers of history like pages in an ancient book. It polishes rocks smooth as river stones, each grain a testament to the endless dance of erosion and deposition. The wind's interaction with Earth systems is a constant dialogue, a ceaseless interplay of forces. It sculpts the land, but also participates in the cycle of life, carrying seeds across deserts, spreading pollen, and shaping the very contours of ecosystems. It breathes life into the landscape, and simultaneously, it erodes, shaping and reshaping the land in a never-ending conversation between creation and destruction. Picture a desert, sculpted by the wind's relentless breath. Each dune, each ripple in the sand, is a testament to the wind's unwavering power. Observe the erosion of a mountain range, revealing the layers of rock that bear witness to millennia of geological activity. The wind's touch is everywhere, a constant presence that subtly yet dramatically alters the face of our world. Consider the wind's role in the formation of unique geological features. The delicate beauty of hoodoos, the stark grandeur of mesas, the intricate patterns of sand dunes, all are a result of the wind's patient craftsmanship, the result of countless years of sculpting by this ceaseless, invisible force. It is a creator and a destroyer, a force of both immense power and delicate artistry. Its touch is not always harsh. Sometimes, the wind is a gentle caress, shaping the landscape with a subtle hand. It whispers through canyons, carrying sounds and stories through the ages. It rustles through grasses, creating a symphony of nature's music. It is a force of both destruction and creation, a duality that reflects the ever-changing nature of our planet. The wind's breath is a constant reminder of the Earth's dynamic nature, its constant evolution and transformation. It is a testament to the power of natural forces, shaping the world around us in ways both subtle and profound. It is a force that connects us to the vastness of time, reminding us of the ancient processes that have shaped our world and continue to do so. The wind, the breath of the earth, is a constant reminder of our planet's enduring beauty and its ceaseless change. It is a story etched in stone, whispered on the wind, and revealed in the breathtaking landscapes that surround us. The wind's work is never truly finished. Even as we stand and marvel at the landscapes it has sculpted, the wind continues its tireless task, reshaping the earth, one grain of sand at a time. It is a process that transcends human lifetimes, a continuous narrative unfolding across millennia. Think of the mighty canyons, carved by wind and water, their sheer walls a testament to eons of erosion. Even now, as we gaze upon their grandeur, the wind whispers through the crevices, slowly but surely altering their form. Each gust is a brushstroke on the canvas of time, adding subtle changes to the masterpiece. The wind's influence extends far beyond the dramatic landscapes we readily observe. It shapes the smallest details, the textures of rocks, the patterns in the sand, the delicate curves of dunes. It is in these minute alterations that we can truly appreciate the relentless and pervasive nature of its work. It is a sculptor that works on a scale both immense and infinitesimal. Consider the delicate balance of ecosystems dependent on the wind's influence. The scattering of seeds, the movement of pollen, the very air we breathe, all are affected by this powerful force. Wind erosion is not simply a geological process. It is a vital component of the Earth's intricate web of life. As we look towards the future, we must acknowledge the ongoing role of wind erosion in shaping our planet. Climate change, human activities, and natural variations will all influence its impact. Understanding this dynamic process is crucial for responsible land management and environmental stewardship. The wind story is not one that ends, but one that continues to unfold. The landscapes sculpted by the wind are not merely static displays of natural artistry. They are living, breathing entities, constantly evolving under the wind's relentless touch. They offer a glimpse into the deep past, a testament to the power of time and the ceaseless forces that shape our world. To understand these landscapes is to understand the planet's history, the present, and the potential futures that lie ahead. They are a reminder of the vastness of geological time and the enduring power of natural processes. The wind's song, a constant whisper across the ages, carries a profound message. The Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing entity. Its surface is a canvas upon which the wind, a tireless artist, paints its masterpiece, a work of art that is constantly evolving, a narrative written in sand and stone, a story that continues to unfold with each passing moment. The wind's legacy is etched into the very fabric of our planet, a testament to its enduring power and the breathtaking beauty of its ongoing creation. It is a story that invites us to reflect on the vastness of time, the power of natural forces, and our own place within this ever-evolving world. Let the wind's whisper guide your thoughts, reminding you of the immense beauty and enduring power of the natural world. A world that continues to evolve, a story that continues to be written on the canvas of our planet, one grain of sand, one gust of wind at a time. The wind's work continues, and its story will continue to unfold, long after our time here is done. Let us pause for a moment and consider the vastness of geological time. Millions, even billions, of years have passed since the first grains of sand were sculpted by the wind. Imagine the countless sunrises and sunsets, the relentless cycle of seasons, the slow, patient dance of erosion and deposition. Human lifetimes are but fleeting moments in this grand timeline. We rush through our days, caught in the whirlwind of activity, often oblivious to the profound changes unfolding around us. But the wind, with its ceaseless breath, reminds us of the power of slow, deliberate processes. Picture a single grain of sand carried by the wind across vast distances. It journeys across continents, a tiny traveler on a grand adventure. It may rest for a time, then be lifted again, joining countless others in the creation of majestic dunes or the slow accumulation of sandstone cliffs. Each layer of rock, each curve of a canyon, each ripple in the sand. These are testaments to the patient hand of time. They are silent witnesses to eons of change, whispering tales of ancient climates, long-gone oceans, and the rise and fall of mountains. The wind is the storyteller, its voice a gentle murmur across the landscape, carries the echoes of the past, etched into the very fabric of the earth. It whispers of ancient forests, of towering volcanoes, of ice ages and warming periods. It is a living archive, a repository of Earth's history. Close your eyes and listen. Can you hear the wind's song? It is a melody of millions of years, a gentle lullaby that speaks of the immensity of time and the slow, deliberate processes that shape our world. It is a reminder that patience and persistence can achieve wonders, that the most breathtaking landscapes are often the result of slow, incremental change. Think of the majestic canyons, the sweeping dunes, the intricate patterns carved into rocks by the wind's relentless hand. These are not mere accidents of nature. They are the culmination of eons of patient work, a testament to the power of time and the unwavering persistence of natural forces. Let the vastness of geological time fill you with a sense of awe and wonder. Let it remind you of the interconnectedness of all things, the delicate balance of nature, and the beauty of slow, patient processes. Let the wind's gentle whisper guide you into a deeper appreciation of the Earth's long and fascinating history. The Earth's story is a testament to the extraordinary power of time, revealed in the artistry of wind erosion and the enduring beauty of our planet. Let the wind's soft song lull you into a state of peaceful contemplation, as you reflect on the vastness of time and the wonders of our natural world. As we journey through this exploration of wind erosion and geological time, let us pause to reflect on the profound beauty and immense power of the natural world. The landscapes we've witnessed, sculpted by the relentless hand of the wind over eons, are not merely formations of rock and sand. They are living testaments to the Earth's enduring spirit. Each grain of sand, each towering hoodoo, each sweeping dune, whispers a story of immense patience and unwavering power. These formations are not static. They are in constant flux, a dynamic interplay of creation and destruction, a continuous dance between erosion and deposition. Consider the vastness of geological time, the slow, deliberate processes that shape our planet. Human lifespans are but fleeting moments in this grand narrative, yet we have the privilege of witnessing, understanding, and appreciating the unfolding drama. This perspective fosters a profound sense of humility, reminding us of our place within the larger scheme of things. Our understanding of these processes deepens our appreciation for the intricate balance of nature. The wind's relentless sculpting, while seemingly destructive, is also deeply creative, shaping landscapes of breathtaking beauty and fostering biodiversity in unexpected ways. The delicate ecosystems that thrive in these windswept environments demonstrate the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Let us strive to understand and respect the forces that shape our planet. The wind, a seemingly intangible entity, wields immense power, capable of reshaping mountains and carving canyons. By acknowledging its influence, we develop a deeper appreciation for the planet's dynamic nature and our own interconnectedness with its systems. The beauty of wind-eroded landscapes invites us to contemplate the vastness of time and the intricate workings of nature. Let us cultivate a sense of wonder and awe, cherishing the unique and irreplaceable beauty of our planet. The intricate patterns etched into the earth by the wind are a reminder of the constant, subtle yet powerful changes that continuously shape our world. Let us embrace our role as stewards of this magnificent planet, striving to protect and preserve the delicate balance of ecosystems and the awe-inspiring landscapes that nature has so patiently crafted. Our understanding of wind erosion and geological time should inspire us to act responsibly, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the enduring power and beauty of our planet. Let the immensity of these natural processes inspire us to protect the planet we call home. Let us act as responsible custodians of this shared heritage, ensuring the wonder and beauty of these natural marvels endure for generations to come. The wind's song is a constant reminder of the planet's enduring power and its need for our careful stewardship. We have journeyed together through vast stretches of time, witnessing the enduring power of wind as a sculptor of our planet. From the whisper of a gentle breeze to the roar of a desert storm, this seemingly intangible force wields immense power, shaping the very landscapes that surround us. Its influence is subtle yet profound, a patient artist working on a canvas of geological time. Over millennia, the wind carves intricate details into the earth, revealing layers of history buried beneath the surface. Towering hoodoos, sculpted by centuries of wind erosion, stand as silent sentinels. Their forms a testament to the relentless power of nature. The vastness of geological time, a timescale far exceeding human comprehension, is unveiled through the wind's slow, deliberate work. It is a reminder of the Earth's dynamic nature, constantly reshaping itself under the influence of natural forces. The wind's artistry is not confined to grand landscapes. It is present in the smallest details, from the intricate patterns in sand dunes to the delicate textures of weathered rock. Consider the sweeping sand dunes, ever shifting under the wind's breath, a mesmerizing display of constant movement and change. These dunes are not static monuments. They are living entities, constantly reshaped by the wind's relentless energy, a dance between creation and destruction, a timeless ballet of nature. These ephemeral forms reveal the dynamic interplay between wind and sand, a constant negotiation between erosion and deposition, a reminder of the fluidity of nature's processes. The wind's influence extends beyond the visible realm. It plays a crucial role in the transportation of sediments, shaping coastlines, and influencing the distribution of life across vast distances. It's a silent architect, building and eroding, shaping the very ecosystems that sustain us. The wind's whisper carries seeds, shaping ecosystems, and its power carves canyons, revealing Earth's deep history. As we conclude our journey, let us reflect on the profound impact of wind on our planet's geological history. It is a reminder of the immense power of natural processes and the delicate balance of Earth's dynamic systems. The enduring power of wind, patiently shaping the Earth over eons, is a testament to nature's artistry and the vastness of geological time. May this understanding inspire us to appreciate and protect the delicate balance of our planet's systems. Let the wind's song echo in our hearts, a constant reminder of Earth's enduring beauty and the need for our responsible stewardship. Imagine, if you will, a landscape sculpted by the tireless hand of time, a place where the wind's breath has etched its story into the very fabric of the Earth. Picture a vast expanse where towering rock formations rise like ancient sentinels, their surfaces worn smooth by the passage of millennia. These are not mere rocks. They are monuments to the relentless power of nature, testaments to a process that unfolds over eons. The setting sun casts long shadows across the land, painting the weathered stone in hues of amber, rose, and deep violet. The wind whispers through canyons carved deep into the earth, a soft sigh echoing through the silent grandeur of this ancient place. Each crevice, each sculpted curve, each delicate spire tells a silent story of wind's relentless artistry. Notice the intricate details, the delicate balance between erosion and resilience. See how the wind has patiently chiseled away at the rock, revealing layers of history buried within. The rock faces themselves are a tapestry of textures, smooth in some places, sharply etched in others, a testament to the wind's capricious yet powerful touch. These are not just formations. They are works of art, sculpted by an unseen hand over unimaginable spans of time. Feel the cool air on your skin, a gentle caress from the wind that has shaped this breathtaking panorama. Inhale the scent of dry earth and ancient stone, a fragrance as old as time itself. Let the vastness of this landscape fill you with a sense of awe, a feeling of profound connection to the Earth's ancient rhythms. The scene before you is not merely a collection of rocks and sand. It is a living testament to the enduring power of nature. It's a canvas where the wind's breath has painted a masterpiece, a story written in stone, a narrative etched in the very heart of the landscape. Each grain of sand, each weathered peak, whispers tales of geological epochs, of climate shifts, of the ceaseless dance between creation and destruction. As the last rays of sunlight fade, leaving the landscape bathed in the soft glow of twilight, take one last, lingering look. Let the image of this wind-eroded wonder linger in your mind, a symbol of the Earth's enduring beauty, a reminder of the vastness of time, and a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Carry this image with you, a source of calm and inspiration, a silent witness to the planet's breathtaking story. Let the wind's whisper guide your thoughts. As you drift into peaceful slumber, the Earth's song continues, even as we rest.